Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Mathman. Today I will explain today's editorial. So today our editorial's title is Renewed Uncertainty. A new term rival in consumption-led demand appears bleak now. A near-term revival in consumption-led demand appears bleak now. The latest factory output data released by the National Statistical Office is yet another sign of the rocky start that the economy is having in the new fiscal year. April's index of industrial production estimates show all three sectoral constituents of the index, mining, manufacturing, and electricity, suffered reverses as output slid below the preceding month's level. With the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic increasing in intensity that month and several key industrial hubs coming under the renowned local lockdown, all six primary capital, intermediate and construction goods and consumer durables and non-durables endured month-on-month contractions. Manufacturing, which accounts for 77.6% of the IIP, saw production shrink 12.6% from March and contributed over significantly to a 13% sequential contraction in overall industrial output. The NSO advised against drawing a year-on-year comparison, which it said would be affected by the fact that the nationwide lockdown had prevented many establishments from operating in April 2020. Figures from April 2019 indicate the IIP registered a marginal 0.08% growth, aided by 6.8% increase in electricity output from 2 years earlier. However, from the pre-pandemic level, manufacturing shrank 0.9%, reflecting the deep rut it finds itself in. With the IHS Markit survey showing manufacturing stagnating last month and services contracting for the first time in 8 months, the composite PMI output index slid from 55.4 in April to 48.1, in many indicating a moderate reduction in activity. New vehicle registrations more than halved in May from the previous month, another tell sign of demand drought. With the job losses accelerating and consumer spending hit by a combination of falling real incomes, depleted savings, and increasing health care costs, the broader outlook for a near-term revival in consumption-led demand appears bleak right now. To ensure an abiding recovery, the government needs to expedite targeted demand, creating the fiscal support measures and drastically quicken the pace of vaccinations. So guys, this editorial is regarding the economy of India and how is it uh, getting better and how is it getting worse. So guys, as I said, the National Statistical Office had released the latest factory output data. So that is how much production was being done by the factories. So in that they they found that the economy is going to face problems at the start of the new fiscal year. The industrial production the index of industrial production estimates that the three sectors such as mining, manufacturing and electricity had suffered the most, and also they decreased even further when compared to the previous month. The second wave of COVID-19 pandemic is increasing the uh, intensity of intensity. So and also many industrial hubs are facing severe problems, and also because of the local lockdown they are facing some problems. The six primary things such as capital, intermediate and construction goods and consumer durables and non-durables had an month-to-month contraction. So this month it was less than that of the previous month. Manufacturing had an IP of about 77.6%. So the production showed a shrink from 12.6% in March, and also it also contributed a slightly 13% sequential contraction. So there was a contraction of overall around 20 to 30%. So this faces severe threat. The overall industrial output had a sequential 13% contraction. So there is a drought for demand too. The people want to buy more and more things as the demand is increasing, but the problem is the production is decreasing, and many people were affected by this pandemic. So they have no income and less savings, and also the medical costs are very high, so they will have less money to spend on other things. That is a serious problem and it should be taken care. So like this there are many other things which should be discussed. There was the IIP, or the index of industrial production for electricity output, showed an increase of 6.8% from that of the past 2 years. The committee is stating that they should not compare this year's IIP with that of the 2020s, because 2020 was the year which was worst hit because of the pandemic, and it is better if they compare things with 2019 because everything was normal right back then. So that's it guys. See you later. Thank you.